Good morning, students. In the previous class, I explained you to write a number in expanded form using powers of 10 and the vice versa. That is, to write a numeral for the number given in expanded form. And I think there is no difficulty. All the content is clear to you. Today I will explain you standard notation. So before explaining these questions, example 8 and 9 and question number 3 and 4. First question is, why do we write a number in standard notation? किसी भी नंबर को हम स्टैंडर्ड नोटेशन में क्यों लिखते हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, सपोज वी आर टेकिंग ए नंबर 12 which is an ordinary number, but if we add some zeros in this number, suppose I have added these zeros 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I have added these 8 zeros to this number. Then it is very difficult to write this number, and or we can say that to read this number. First we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, arab, like this. So it is very difficult to read and write this number. Or if I write one more number like this, it is also difficult to read and write this number, because first we will count these zeros, how many zeros are there, then we write the number. In the same way here also, first we will count the zero, then we will write the number. It is a very large number and it is very small number. So it is very difficult to write a very large or very small number in this form. So to write a large number or small number easily, we write a number in standard form. Why do we write a number in standard form? To write a very large or very small number easily, we write a number in standard form. Now second question is, what is standard form or what is standard notation? What is standard notation? So students, when we write a number in the form of m multiplied 10 power. Here it is power, and what is the power? Power may be an integer which may be positive or negative. When we write a number in the form of m into 10 power, and power may be an integer which may be positive or negative, or we can say m into 10 power and power may be negative or positive. Whether power is positive or negative, it depends upon the decimal, that in the given number what is the place of decimal. Clear? And value of this m, and value of this m must be between 1 and 10, or we can say that m is greater or equal than 1 or less than 10. Means value of m must be smaller. Means value of m must be smaller than 10. It will be more clear when I will explain these sums. Now next question is, our next question is how to write, how can we write a very large number in standard form, in standard form or standard notation. Clear? So students, see, when there is a number without decimal, suppose I am taking this number 12 or this is a number and there is no decimal. In this number there is no decimal, but there is no decimal, it means decimal is to the right side of the unit place digit. Which is the unit place digit? This one, 0. We read the number 0 ones or unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So this is the unit place digit, and decimal is always taken right side to this unit place digit. Okay. And to write this very large number into standard notation, what we do? We shift this decimal from this place to its left side. This is a very large number and there is no decimal. If there is no decimal in the number, we take this decimal just to the right side of the unit place digit. And then we shift this decimal to the left side and before the last digit. We will shift this decimal here before the 1. Then if we shift this decimal to the left side, then like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We will shift this decimal from here, starting to here before 1. Then we will write this number like this, 1.2. When this decimal will be shifted here, then this number will become here 1.2 into 10 power. How many digits we have shifted this decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1.2 into 10 power 8. Power will be positive. And we will not write these zeros. Only we will write 1.2. Clear? So, now I am explaining this question number 3. Write the following in standard form. This one. Third A number is 54000. Then third B is 820000 and C is 6290000. See, students, there is no decimal in this number, so we will take decimal here. We will consider the decimal here. Now we will shift this decimal from here to here before the last digit. Whatever the last digit, it doesn't matter. We will shift this decimal before the last digit. Then this number will become here 5.4. How many digits this decimal is shifted? 1, 2, 3. So this number is 5.4 into 10 power 3. And we will not write these 3 zeros. Students, see here. Now this is m. I told you when we write a very large number in the form of m into 10 power. M into 10 power. And power may be positive or negative. So see here, this is m. Value of m should be between 1 and 10. So this is 1.2. It is between 1 and 10. Or we can say value of m must be smaller than 10. This 1.2 is smaller than 10. This 5.4 is smaller than 10. Yes? And when very large number is written in the standard notation, then power is positive. Now come to B part. Here also no decimal. So we will consider again decimal here. Now shift this decimal from here to here, means before 8. Then this number will become 8.2 into 10 power. How many digits we have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 power 5. So students, when we read this large number, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. First we read like this, then we will tell 54,000. So it is 5.4 into 10 power 3. Which is easier in speaking? This one or this one? I think this one is easier and less time taking to read also. Now come to last one. Again we will take decimal here. Now shift this decimal where? Before here 6 or before 2? We will take this decimal before 6. I told you we will take before the last digit. Only one digit should be this side. So this number will become 6.29. These digits we will write, we will leave only zeros. 6.29 into 10 power. How many places this decimal shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6.29 into 10 power 6. This is how can we write a very large number into standard notation. Now you can see this example also. This is 87,000. We will take decimal here, then shift this decimal here. Then it will become 8.7 into 10 power. How many digits? We have shifted this decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8.7 into 10 power 4. In the same way this one. This is the digit. We will take this decimal up here. Now shift this decimal from here to before 9. हम इस डेसिमल को 9 से पहले ले आएंगे. Then this number will become, ये नंबर क्या बन जाएगा? 9.1. And how many places? हमने कितने प्लेस डेसिमल को शिफ्ट करा? यहाँ था डेसिमल, यहाँ हम ले आए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9.1 into 10 power 8. Now see this number. This is little bit different. Here decimal is given. In these numbers decimal was not given. But in this number decimal is given and it is here. We will shift this decimal from here to here. 9 से पहले ले आएंगे हम ये decimal. Then number will become 9.568. 9.568. But how many digits we have shifted this decimal? 2 or 3? 2 digits. Because decimal was here. Decimal यहाँ था और हम यहाँ लेकर गए हैं तो केवल 1 और 2 digit हमने shift किया है. So we will write 9.568 into 10 power 2. Clear? Now see how we write very small number. It is not in your book. There is no question with small number. But I am telling you, suppose we want to write, our given number is 0.00000005. So we will shift this decimal from this side. Now early we were shifting from right side to left side. This time we will shift this decimal from left side to right side. We will take this decimal here. So this number will become 5 into 10 पावर कितने प्लेस हमने शिफ्ट किया ये डेसिमल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This time power will be 5 into 10 power minus 8. When we shift the decimal from right side to left side, then power is positive, or we can say very large numbers. When we write a very large number in power notation, then power is positive. And when we write very small number, it is very small number, then power is negative. If number is 0.0000124. Now this time if we bring this decimal here, we take this decimal here, then number will become 124. No, we have to write, we have to take value of n m below 10. If we take this decimal here between 2 and 4, then number will become 12.4. 12.4 means greater than 10. We have to write less than 10. So we will take this decimal here between 1 and 2. Then number will become 1.24 into 10 power. How many places we have shifted decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 10 power minus 5. Clear? I think there should be no doubt. If you have any doubt, you can see this video 2 or 3 times, or you can ask from me. Okay student, now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is express the following numbers in usual form. Now we have to write these numbers in usual form. Means this is vice versa. We have to write these numbers in this form. So how we will write it? First we will write this is 9.15 into 10 power 4. So first we will write 9.15 into 10 power 4 means we will write this 1, then 4 zeros. It is 10,000 ones, 10,000, 10,000. This is 10 power 4. Now multiply it. So student, when we multiply this number, no need to multiply by 0. हमें 0 से multiply करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. What we will do? We will take this number without decimal. This is 915. If we take this number without decimal, then it is 915. So we will write 915. Then this decimal we will shift this side to right side. How many places? How many zeros are here? Here these are 4 zeros. So this decimal will shift this side 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We will put only 2 zeros. Like this. See again. First we will write this 9.15. I am explaining again you. 9.15 into this is 10 power 4. 10 power 4 means 10,000. We will write this 1 and then add 4 zeros. Now how we will multiply? First you consider this number without decimal. It will be 915. So we will write this 915. Now how many zeros are here? Here are 4 zeros. So we will shift this decimal 4 places to the right side. Decimal was here. So 1, 2. 2 places are these. 2 places तो ये हो गई, 2 digit ये हो गई, 2 0 और हम ऐड कर लेंगे. Now it is 91500.0. Now come to next one. This number is 4.307 into 10 power 5. 10 power 5 means we will write 1, add 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now when we multiply it, again we will follow the same pattern. First we will consider this number without decimal. It means without decimal number will be 4307. Then how many zeros here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will shift this decimal 5 places to the right side. So there are 3 digits always. There are always 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. We will add only 2 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4 5. डेसिमल वॉज हियर, यहाँ था आपका पहले डेसिमल, अब हमने यहाँ लगा दिया. तो देखिए इस और इस डेसिमल के बीच में 1 2 3 4 5 डिजिट्स आ गई हैं. सो नंबर विल बी 430700.0. So students, our exercise 2B is also finished, and I think with this exercise we have finished the chapter also. Now students, complete your work. In the next class I will take your test of exercise 1A and 1B. I will take your test of exercise 1A and 1B. So be ready for the test in the next class. Okay students, thank you students, and have a nice day.